Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to share a Crunchyroll account. Now as you can see I am on Crunchyroll. As you can see this app, and once you're in the app you will see multiple options like home, my lists, browse, simulcast and account. So you just need to click on this section called account, and once you are in the account section you will see multiple options like switch profile, content restriction, audio, subtitles, etc. There are like multiple options, your Gmail and password. So above the notification center you will see this options called membership. So click on membership, and once you're here you will see your membership. As you can see I'm a free member, so just click on go premium. And once you click on Go Premium, you will see all the accounts like fan account per month, mega fan per month, and annual mega fan. So these are like multiple plans of their premium accounts. So you can read the benefits below them. No ads, unlimited access, stream on one device. While you switch to this account called Mega Fan, on this you can read stream on 4 devices, and on annual Mega Fan you can read stream on 4 devices. So if you want to share your Crunchyroll account, you will avoid this subscription which is fan and monthly. So you just need to buy this mega fan which is $12 per month. And once you buy this subscription, you can easily share your Crunchyroll account with other 3 devices. As you can see, stream on 4 devices. So you can choose either this one or this one, and that is how you can share your Crunchyroll account.